Hey, I'm Francesco with Rapid Restore Roofing, and I'm a quality assurance manager here. Now, outside of Rapid, I'm a family man. My family comes first. I have a beautiful wife, Gabrielle, and a beautiful son, Valentino. And we're actually expecting another son come October. When I'm not at Rapid Restore dedicating my time here, I'm dedicating my time to my family. Whether it's having family dinners over the weekend, taking my son to the park, or just spending time with my wife outside in the backyard. Everything I do entirely is for my family. They're my motivation every day when I wake up and come to work, knowing that there's a bigger picture to this story. I've always had this passion for construction, passion for working with my hands. I never really liked staying stagnant. If you asked my mom when I was a kid, I always wanted to be outside, and she always said, "You're gonna be an outdoorsman one day." And that came true. So I started my career in home improvement consulting back in 2015. Helping homeowners and walking them through their home improvement projects was truly a passion of mine that I had discovered. I never knew how much I liked getting people exactly what they wanted on their home, because your home is essentially one of the biggest investments you make in your life. And I know that homeowners truly put their heart and soul into their homes. So making that experience as pleasant as possible and as easy and stress-free as possible was something I truly took pride in. Now, back in October of 2023, I had a breakthrough in my career. This is when I met Joey, and Joey gave me the opportunity of a lifetime. He allowed me to think big by giving me the tools and the inspiration to elevate myself to levels I never expected. Now, I want to pass that off to you. As a homeowner and a possible customer of mine one day, I want to make sure that you know my job is to make this project as easy and as comfortable as possible for you.